Hello my good peeps and welcome back to another video. It's your girl Penelope. Today I'm going to be making a produce bin out of a scrap piece of 1x6. So what I'm going to do is start out by measuring the back piece of the produce bin. I wanted that to be about 20 inches, and for the sides I measured that at 10. Now when I measured it at 10 I thought that was a little bit too long, so I cut it down to 6 inches. And I felt that better suited the counter space where this is going to be placed. So I cut it down to 6 inches, and I'm going to be measuring the side pieces at an angle because I wanted to kind of look like a shelf. And I just thought that was really cute, just have an angle of it cut off. So I cut off about 4 inches off at the 3-inch mark. And here I am measuring for the front piece. This is kind of going to hold all of the produce together once the piece is finished. So I'm measuring up to about 3 inches, and I'm going to cut that with my heart saw. And then once it's done being cut, I'm going to sand everything. And I am using the 80 grit sandpaper with my heart sander, and y'all, I tell you, this thing was heaven sent. Like, it felt like a new piece of wood after I was done. You can't even tell that this is used wood. It got everything off because originally it had like a bunch of sticky paper on there. It got everything off. All right, so here we are doing the assembly. I'm using my Arrow brand brad nailer with the 1 5/8 inch nails. So you can really see how everything is coming together really easy, really seamless, and it worked out really well. So now I am measuring for the bottom piece. I'm gonna leave the bottom with a little bit of a gap in the middle just so air can circulate, and you'll see that in just a second. So I'm sanding this piece as well with the same 80 grit sandpaper, and I'm gonna dust all of the wood flakes and all that stuff off once I'm done. And then I'm going to assemble the bottom piece, and it's gonna fit snug, and you'll see that just a moment right there. See how it fits, and I left that little gap right there. So I got my brad nailer, and I will be attaching the bottom pieces to fit appropriately. And one thing I wish I would have done was stain everything first. It would have just made the staining process a lot easier, and you'll see that shortly. But nonetheless, everything turned out really well as far as the assembly. And I decided I wanted to add a middle piece, so I just cut it the same as the 2 side pieces. And this is going to allow me to divide the produce appropriately. So I'm just measuring where I want to put it. I want it exactly in the middle, and I just nailed it in place with the brad nailer. So here we have an overview of how it turned out. I thought it was so cute, and if I ever want to make another one, I can just stack it on top of that just to help with the horizontal space. I'm not taking that up, I'm just taking up vertical space, which is always good in real estate. Yes ma'am. So I just love how it looks. So I'm using my Varathane polystain in the color Kona. I have used this a dozen times in other videos, and I'll link those down below. This is my go-to stain. I just love how it looks, how rich it looks, and it's gonna match all the other wood pieces that I have. All right, so now I have some shelf liner that I got from the Dollar Tree. Obviously it was only $1, and I'm gonna put this on the bottom of the storage bin, just to kind of help like it with the onions and stuff. So like the onion skins and stuff like that, so that they don't, you know, like fall out on the counter or whatever. It just helps with the easy cleanup. So here I am putting my onions and potatoes in there. These are produce items that we use very frequently. And here we have the final product. I love it. I think it is so cute. And I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you do, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will catch you in the next video. I love you all. Bye.